I'm gonna do as many tricks as I can on this board. No! I'm telling you! That's what I'm saying! My name is Aaron Kyro. I'm a sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area. And today, I'm gonna show you my first ever skateboard. Okay, so I recently took a trip back to Montana and I go into my dad's garage and in there he has this relic of a skateboard, and on top of it, it has a water pressure, like a water pressure hose. So he basically had this machine strapped to the top of it and it was all bungee corded around, and he was using it so that when he needs to like pressure wash the parking lot, he can just pull the pressure washer and it just pulls on the board. And I'm like, Dad, are you kidding me? This is a relic. This thing should be in a museum, not a pressure washer. This thing is not a piece of a construction tool. This is amazing. So first of all, I'm gonna go over all of the parts and pieces of this board. I'm gonna tell you a little history. And yes, we are in my garage in quarantine. And I hope you guys are too, and I hope you're being safe, and I hope everybody's nice and healthy out there. And then after we go through all the parts of this, I'm gonna do as many tricks as I can on this board. There's some tricks I think might be literally impossible, but you know, we're gonna check it out. So first things first is just, you see the top of it? It has what we would call the fish board design. I think these are coming back right now. Aren't these kind of coming back? These are like kind of cool again. So first of all, I was born in 1983. Yes, that makes me 36 years old. Thank you for doing the math. And when did I get this board? I want to say I got it in 1990, maybe? When people ask me when I started skating, I always say 10. But I think it was actually a bit earlier than that. I just say 10 because the math is easier if you say 10. You're like, at 10, I'm 36. That's 26 years of skateboarding. So, but I think this was purchased around 1990. And I got this board. Unfortunately, I don't have any footage of me skating this board. I think it was literally made before cameras were made. So it just is what it is. But yes, fish board. What kind of grip tape this is, we'll never know. But it looks like at one point in time I tried to like scrape off part of the middle and tried to rip this off, maybe to like put stickers or a graphic on there. Didn't really work so well. And I had one of those tail scraper things. You can see the holes there. That the tail scraper thing used to go right there, so the tail's still nice and intact, nice and poppy. It still has a good pop even after all these years. And I had rails up the side. You can see the little holes there. It's cracking, paint is chipping off. They used to say Dogtown, Dogtown. That was the kind of skateboard it was, is a Dogtown. And I never know how to say this man's name, but it was a pro model board. Karma Toshief, T-S-O-C-H-E-F-F. Karma Toshief, I think is how you say it. Anyways, I hope I'm not butchering that. I actually met him many years later at 3rd and Army, and I was like starstruck. My first board, he's amazing, he's right there. Anyways, so cool. So, that's pretty much it on the board. I don't know if there's any other questions people might have. Like maybe why are these extra holes there? My only answer to that is I don't know. It looks like they had different holes set up so you could put your trucks further up or further back. Why? I literally have no idea. Then, moving on to the trucks, these are Ventures. They're very used, and there is fully spider webs on this. There's probably black widows living in the skateboard. Yeah, those Venture trucks. Look at how ground down the bolt is. If you want to loosen your trucks at all, you're not gonna. Like, just forget about it. And then a couple missing bearings. So I think that these two wheels right here are Spitfire wheels. I kind of remember them being Spitfires. And it looks like they've worn down to about 30 millimeters. And this one's missing a bearing, as you can see. The truck's a little, well, old school, huh? And these wheels, I have no idea what they are. They're like disgusting yellow wheels. We could only guess and we'd probably get it wrong. And what kind of bearings are in there, I have no idea. But the bearings, you can see, like right here. You know, once you've been working as a pressure washer for a while, you tend to get kind of rusty. So that's that. I think that pretty much covers the board. Got any other questions about this? Not really, right? On this side, what happened there? You know, it's years of being a pressure washer. So I'm gonna give just a quick comparison to that board to my current board, my current board setup. Here we have the Revive skateboard, Braille trucks, Force wheels, Braille bearings, and yeah, let's see the difference in these wheels. Not bad, not bad. Look at that. This one's just fully missing a bearing. So this board right here is 8 inches wide. I've been skating at 8 recently. So I want to say it's about 8 right there. So I think it's like 8 on the skinny part, 10 right there. Like 8, 10? Yeah, I think so. And then it goes down to this little nose. All right, well, I'm gonna have to get back to my roots and do some tricks on this bad boy. I don't know if I should set a challenge for myself. How many tricks do you think I can land on this thing in 10 minutes? Is that a long time? 13, because it's Daniel's favorite number. Oh! I almost broke my leg. Hey Siri, set a timer for 10 minutes.
Okay, your timer is set for 10 minutes.
Is an ollie a trick? Oh, dude, it's good. I should play the game of skate tomorrow. I'm playing Mowgli tomorrow, game of skate on this. I better do a lot more than 13 tricks. Leave it in the comments below. How many tricks do you think I can do on this? And do you think you can do tricks on this? Still got it. 3. All of SMS 1. Ooh, boy. My draws are falling down. Wow. It actually pops better than any board I've ever skated. Wow. 4? Out the door. You know what trick I actually think is impossible on this board? A heel flip. My wife's gonna kill me. Yeah, the bearings are not bad. Front shove, let's go, baby. You'd think it would roll less well after all those years of being a construction tool. Oh, do I go straight to the heel flip? It is the next trick. I'm gonna give it 3 tries. If I don't land it, I could fully credit card that real bad, yeah. Is it like longer than a normal board? It's actually a little shorter. For some reason it seems so long. Dude, I don't know. First try, if I land this, I'll be the most excited person in the whole world. It's literally impossible. Do you think you can heel flip it? Alright, Neen. Let's go. Wait, how many tricks am I at? Ow! Oh, that hurt. Primo. I didn't think you could primo on this board. Ow. It was like that. It was like a knife going through my sternum. Right there. Just for that, I'm gonna see what time we're at. 6 minutes and 47 seconds. And Gabe is texting me. I'm sure it's about his reffing on the last game of skate. Let's go right here for Gabe Cruz. Yes! So glad I did that. So glad we got that out of the way. 6. Oh no! Look! A piece of history. Leave it in the comments below if you want me to ship this to your house. Kickflip. Dude, the kickflip's real nice though. Burial flip. Good thing you don't have to worry about the tail chipping, because the whole back is flat, doesn't matter. No, paper wall! Dude! This reminds me of the old, this is old Braille right here, 100%. I'm gonna lose this bet. No! Are you kidding? I landed and it fell through the board. Dang it. It's the skateboard graveyard. Oh. Okay, let's go. Wow! Nobody saw that coming. Nobody. I need to get past 13 fast, so I need to cheat a little bit. 10. 11. I want a frontside flip, but I don't think I got it. You think? I'm gonna do backside flip first. Wow. I'm gonna seriously injure a body part if I do that again. We'll go with the trick I've never landed on any board. Front big spin. Count it? Mm-hmm. Kinda? You know what I'm gonna end it with, right? Do I end it here or do I do it on the next trick to take it over 13? Leave it in the comments below. Oh! God, I literally broke my back. Hey honey.
Oh.
Watch this trick right here for you, okay?
Oh, yeah.
I don't know if you heard that, I just said, oh yeah. Okay, bye. 13. We did it. I mean, if you count that. Should we rebait that? I'm really kind of concerned about this. I didn't think that was going to happen.
Yeah, missing a whole chunk.
Yeah. We only got a minute, 41 seconds to land another trick to beat it. Try something easy. Okay, here's something easy. You think the name itself, Aaron. Hard flip, not easy, hard flip. World's best hard flip, 1983 skateboard. Ow! We got another couple tries and we're running out of time. Ding ding. Didn't I do the first one really good? 56 seconds. It's hard skating in the garage. Don't waste time, Aaron, don't waste time. Ah! 22 seconds! No! No! One more. No! No! As the buzzer is going off. Wow! I gotta get a good hard flip for the people. Wow, this board got me sweating. It was a full workout. If you saw the game between John Hill and Chris, do you think the frontside flip counts? Right here for Gate. You know what's the only thing that could make this video any better at all? Start the soundtrack, old Braille. You know the one. I'm telling you! That's what I'm saying! I need a little Rio! Whoa, baby! I was thinking that was gonna be my ender. I don't know what else I can do. So if you saw the game between John Hill and McNugget does a frontside flip, and Gabe calls radio. I'm not sure why. I would guess I would have to watch it again. Maybe there's a heel. Who knows? So for Chris, I'm gonna try a frontside flip. I think it's literally impossible on this board. Unless maybe, oh I know, like between the leg style. Like that. We're going to the Jamba Juice, which is not open. Wow! I literally almost died. The other thing I kind of want to try is a nollie flip from the nose. I should play against Mowgli in this tomorrow. The other thing I was thinking is imagine like we start the game and nobody sees me, and then I walk out into full pads. Helmet, elbow pads, knee pads, everything. Got it? Gabe, count it. Here, let's FaceTime this dude. Yo, say hello to YouTube.
Hi YouTube. Oh my god.
You literally didn't do anything, you went like this. Oh, YouTube! So I'm gonna do a frontside flip and you're gonna tell me if it counts. Can you see me?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna do a frontside flip. I need you to judge it.
Alright.
Gabe Gate, let's go Gabe Gate. On my first board ever.
Oh dang. I like it.
I'm getting warmed up for the game versus Mowgli tomorrow. I'm gonna skate this board.
Really?
Yeah. It's got good luck. Good or no?
Absolutely good.
I mean, if John Hill would have done that, you would have counted it. Okay, let me land a good one. I just landed a good one, and then you made me so nervous with all your negativity.
If you did what Chris did, I would have given it to you, no doubt. But Chris was on like a full like skate park DIY.
All right here for Gabe Gabe. Dude, that might have been the best frontside flip I ever did.
Oh yeah.
Right? Am I right?
If Chris landed it like that, you know, would have made my job a lot easier.
I know, you got a rough job, you do. Goodbye, Gabe Gabe.
Alright, later dude.
So, I literally put this, I'm saying literally a lot in this video because it's just a literal video. I already have a hole in this shoe. I'm not gonna say I didn't practice lots of double flips, but still. Nollie flip, and then we're gonna end the video, I promise you. Just kidding, this video never ends. I was so scared I needed to practice. Should I go for it?
Yeah.
Full college try?
Mm-hmm.
Gotta get one of those, it's good luck. Dang it. Wow. So I'm gonna put that nollie flip next to Johnny Geiger's. And I want you guys to rate which one is better. And don't let me down. Leave it in the comments below, my nollie flip or Johnny's nollie flip. You know, it is what it is. All right, so there we have it. That is the first skateboard of Aaron Kyro ever, the Dogtown. I love that all the paint around the sides, or maybe it was never paint. Oh yeah, that's right. It was just stained wood. The stained wood got stained a different color. Completely discolored. It still rides really nicely for all the years and all the beatings this thing has been through. I love skateboarding, and I hope you guys do too. Best comment on this video wins a chunk of the board right there. Maybe I'll even sign a little piece of that. That's history right there. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes, you, learn how to skateboard. Go to brailleskateboarding.com, get everything you need to learn how to skateboard. It's time. Let's go.